Hello and welcome to Daily Achiever, video 67. I'm your host, Malcolm Gallagher. The theme of the week is Leader Week, and today's video is how to make your business breakthrough in 90 days. As I record this, there's just over 90 days to the new Brexit of January the 31st, 2020. My question is, are you going to now close early for Christmas? Let your business stagnate? Or are you ready to fire up, break through and lead your business to greater success? You've 90 days to achieve it. In this short video, I'll give you the 3 actions that are at the core of my 90 Days Action Leader coaching program. Action 1 is to grow your leader ability. You have to be willing and wanting to grow. So it starts with you. You set the pace, you lead the way. It's a well-known saying that the speed of the leader is the speed of the team. A commitment to growth is likely to be not enough. For your business and team to grow, it's likely that you will have to personally change and grow too. That's okay. It's better than stagnating. Action 2. Team engagement. As you grow your business, it becomes increasingly dependent upon your team consistently achieving their best performance. For that to happen, you'll need to be using the core leadership skills, especially clarity. Your team needs clarity of vision, clarity of values, clarity of goals, and vitally, actions. Now, this is a 90 days breakthrough. It's a sprint, not a trundle through the year. So you have to have a clear, strategic, monthly plan that's focused on tactics and actions. In other words, the execution of the strategy. Action 3 is don't be the lonesome leader. It's lonely at the top, but too often leaders go it alone. They think that asking for help is showing weakness. That's wrong. Hire the right coach and you can accelerate success. Now, naturally, I'm going to wave my own flag, but there are other good coaches too. You need to be questioned, challenged, encouraged, constantly reaching for that next level of success. It's time to act. So are you going to rise to the 90 days challenge? I can help with my Built to Lead, strategy session, or 90-day action program. You'll find them all at bizvision.co.uk. But start with clicking the button on the screen to go to my platform bizvision.co.uk and sign up for my free membership library with its growing collection of free resources. Plus you'll get access to my 4 support channels including Leadership Plus, the blogs, videos and podcasts. So click to go there now.